Hey folks, this is a basic overview of how Easy Building Designer works, so you can design your own custom metal building online. First, you're going to choose a template. Okay, so let's imagine we're creating a 40 by 50 shop. We want a big roll-up door in the center and a covered side porch made from an open lean-to. Here's our plain old 30 by 30 building. On a desktop, you'll see a navigation bar on the left, and if on a mobile device, it'll likely be on the bottom of your screen. The View tool is located here at the top, and you can use it to get a good view. You can spin the camera around just by clicking and dragging with your left mouse click, and the right mouse click and drag will be how we move the camera side to side or forward backward. The next tool is for changing dimensions. So let's make this a 40 by 50. With Dimensions tab selected, you could play around by dragging and dropping these little corner icons on the building, or, for precision, you could simply input specific dimensions. Just type and hit enter to see the model refresh. Okay, great. Now we can make the eave height 16 feet to perhaps fit a mezzanine later. We have different roof options like single slope or gambrel, but we'll leave it as a gable. You could click the next button here to move forward, or just select the Edit tab where you'll select your colors, and overhang, and wainscot, and also roof-only bays. Input the number of bays from front or back wall, and then it'll remove the sheeting for those bays, creating a roof-only area. To recreate this design, we first must select the bay individually to adjust its size. With the Edit tab selected, you will see pencil icons allowing you to first select a wall, then select the bay, and from there, you can input and adjust the bay size individually. Alright, the next tab is for lean-tos. With this lean-to tool selected, you can click any side of the wall to add a lean-to, like so. You may adjust the size by entering details here, or by selecting the Dimensions tab again to drag and drop these corners just like the main building. So here, I'm making it flush to the roof by just dragging it up, or I can offset it shorter to give it that American barn-style look. The next tab is Openings, where you will select your doors and windows. But first, I'm skipping ahead to the Bays tool next, where we can quickly remove the walls of this lean-to and create this open porch. Now we can go back to our openings and add a door, some windows, and of course our oversized overhead door. The next tab will be for mezzanine. Toggle on or off. Adjust the height. I'm going to remove one bay of the mezzanine as well to just give us a nice storage area only in the back while keeping the ceiling clear in this front area of the shop. Great. And now the last tab will be for props. You may use a variety of props to visualize how the building will support your needs. So clearly, we can fit a decently sized camper in here. Awesome. Now a fighter jet, yeah, we may need to build a much bigger building for that. The last step is to submit your design for quoting. Just click the button at the top and then enter your contact information. Good luck and have fun designing your own metal building.